Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Kohl's loyalty card with the Instacart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and shop with Kohl's, but use the Instacart app. How do you actually go ahead and connect your loyalty card with the Instacart app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Instacart app. Next, click on your profile icon on the upper right-hand corner. From here, go ahead and click on Add Loyalty Cards. And then towards the bottom, you're going to see Kohl's Rewards. Click on Add Card. Now, this is where you can enter your 11-digit Kohl's Reward ID so that you can save and get a percent back every time you shop with Kohl's. And with that, enter your card number, then click on Confirm. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Kohl's loyalty reward card with the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.